me, baby, do you want it? Baby, do you want it? Baby, do you want it? Baby, do you want it?
Welcome back to my channel. Right now, we're at the park. It is July and with Fam, and we're just, you know, having a little time. The day kind of just started. Supposed to be on this. Okay, and then we get this. So, I'm not an artist. What's the process? My process is done, child. I didn't even get to like. I had to draw it first, y'all.
Oh, you gotta add more color.
So I scratched off my old painting, and I'm deciding to draw a lip. I don't know what the end is gonna be yet, but we'll see. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, Zuri.
Zuri, is that your thing that actually they're crying?
If you want to practice this painting,
Yo, we go say you wanna purchase this painting. I'm like, we spent what's the percent on this for? 25 cents?
no, 25,000.
She said 25,000. I'm dead.
This is my mama painting, y'all. Good now.
Right? It's coming along.
It's cute. Here's our food. We have some salad, some watermelon, fruits, hot dog bread, chow mein, mac and cheese. What's this? Beans, chicken, and then we have some goodness on the grill. Ooh, I'm vlogging. Ooh.